Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. It is my weekly work in progress video. But before we show you all my works in progress, I need to show you what I have finished. I forgot to show this one last week. I don't know if it's Technic. I'm not sure if I'm going to add more links to this little chain, but it's made with the Chanel yarn that I won from Lee's Crochet. And if you're by chance watching Lee, thank you again. This is all I got so far with the yarn I won, is this link of chains. You know, maybe it's just something to play with that's soft and colorful. I might add more chains, or I just might leave this as is. Okay, and for the finished projects that I used for my video this week, I got two my hats. I call it my small shell hat. I will leave a link for the tutorial on this one because that will come out just before this work in progress video. So if you notice, these hats are blue. So these hats are going to go toward the Hat Not Hate organization. If you've never heard of Hat Not Hate, it is an anti-bullying campaign, and they every year, I think it's about this time every year, they distribute blue hats around the schools around the nation. And I'll leave a link if you want to support that organization. I do that every year. Oh, let's see. Oh, I don't know if you see my basket. My basket is done and already put to good use. I already stored my yarn in there. Okay, time to get on with my work in progress stuff. All right, this one also, I had started this to do, I got a tutorial for this pattern stitch, and this is going to be almost done, as in starting to run out of yarn. And I think now my plan is to put the two ends together and make this into a loop. So I was trying to get this finished for this video, but not quite. It's almost finished. And I think I got 3 projects that I think I still have ongoing, or other projects. I have the V-stitch, the V-stitch big blanket. I didn't do much work on this week. Maybe I will try to get, I don't know if I'll try to get this one done this week, or at least make some progress. I still have this poncho, this Christmas poncho. I usually now have been taking this with me when I'm kind of like waiting. Like I've been taking this to church when my children are in Sunday school. I'll take this to doctor visits and so forth. However, I'm going to have to eventually push to get this done because we're now into October and I got like 2 months to get this finished. And you know what this project is. It's my scrap yarn blanket. You'll probably still be seeing this blanket for weeks to come. Well, there might be a day coming, there might be time coming up where I'm just going to just sit down and get this blanket done. Or it's just going to be one of those projects that's just going to be a long-term project. That's usually how it goes sometimes. Because other projects I want to get started. I saw a skirt pattern on YouTube. And I want to get started with this yarn. And it's a skirt that I want to get done for my cruise in January. So I want to start that project. You know, Christmas is coming up. I want to start getting stuff done on Christmas. I forgot something else I did. Of course, it's pumpkin season, right? I had some scraps left from my pumpkin doll that I've done. And I used some of the scraps to make this pumpkin, and I forgot to show you into my finished projects. I know it's probably missing a stem and some stuff, but it's cute as is. Okay. Well, if you're still, well, that is all I have. I want to thank you for watching this video. I don't have any other life updates going on, but I think I know for other videos coming up. I bought a mystery yarn. I bought some mystery yarn package off Etsy, so I have that video coming up, and I'm looking forward to that. Other future projects that I could come across, I want to make. I got a shelled Christmas tree. I want to do that one. And I know for a while, I can't talk this evening. Help me. Other projects might include some mittens, crocheted mittens. I was thinking about that as could be coming up. Or I'm going to get rid of all this and go. That is all I have for my work in progresses. I want to thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.